Good day, friends. My name is Kian. We are now in Tokyo, Japan. And we're at Zozoji Temple. Kung nanonood kayo ng mga anime, I'm sure this temple is familiar, especially if you watch a lot of anime. You'll know this temple. So iconic. I woke up and my face is just so puffy. My back is hurting and my legs are hurting from all the walking. Not complaining. Masakit lang talaga. Kakain tayo. Kasi gutom na ako. I think it's already 3 p.m. Yeah, welcome to Tokyo, friends.
Feel me be the best that I can be. There's nothing more that I would ever need. Fly together where the sun meets sea. Where we can be together.
Konnichiwa. Hindi ko na alam anong day ito. Basta it's a Monday. Today we're just gonna go to Asakusa, Ginza, I don't know, Don Quixote. Stuff like that. Gusto ko maghanap ng Filipino restaurant ngayon. Have a good day, guys. Hello, guys. We are now in Asakusa. Lakas ng hangin. Madagdag sa lamig, but we good. We're grateful. We're in Tokyo once again. Last time I was here, it was in 2020 before the lockdown, and so grateful. I'm just taking my parents around Tokyo. Daming tao. Nandito ko na rin naman. Nandito na lang din naman tayo. Might as well. Okay. Baby. Let's go. Now in Ginza. Kung may makita, bili. Kung hindi maganda, edi we move forward. May hinahanap kasi ng sapatos dito. Tabi shoes. Sarado daw sila ng Sunday and Monday. Tuesday na kami. It's not meant to be. That's where we're going. G6. Nope. Hindi tayo mamimili. Alis na tayo. Hello. We are now at Roppongi Hills for the view and for the shop. daw mamili dito. This is Shibuya and Shinjuku. There are a lot of interesting, cute stuff. cafes and boutiques here. Pretty cute. Naghahanap tayo ng mga Japanese ceramics. Ichiran sa malapit. Alis na kami bukas. Matagal-tagal din tayo hindi makakabalik sa Japan. Samantalahin na natin to. Mag-round 2 na tayo rito ng Ichiran. There's no lie. Tama yung desisyon na instead of Shibuya o Shinjuku, dito kami pumunta. Ang daming choices, ang daming option. Cute neighborhood, a lot of vintage store. I got everything that I want. If this is, your second time or third time in Japan or fourth, instead of going to Shinjuku or Shibuya to do your shopping, Kichiyoji is a very, very good option. It's very laid back, less people. Less crowd, less crowd and less people. Kichiyoji instead of Shibuya and Shinjuku. But of course, if it's your first time in Japan, of course, go to Shibuya and go to Shinjuku. Of course, go to Shinjuku or Shibuya if it's your first time in Japan or in Tokyo. Everything that you need, it's all here. Vacuum, curler, appliances, stickers, screen protector. Subtitle, nasa tayong lugar ulit. Nakakalimutan ko siya lagi i-pronounce. Nakakalimutan ko lagi yung pangalan niya. Anyways, good decision that we came to this branch, to this neighborhood. Kasi tingnan mo naman, ang sarap mamili. Walang katao-tao. And lahat ng kailangan mo, from Shinjuku and Shibuya, it's all here. Same. Only difference is walang tao. Good choice, Kian. Focus muna tayo. Focus muna ako. Okay, bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ooh, nice car. Where are you? Oh, there you are. What's this one again?
Yeah, champagne.
Oh, it's a shot.
Champagne.
So should I take it as a shot?
Shot or mix.
Mixed with.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Sure.
The OnlyFans logo on top of it. They love OnlyFans here. Thank you, Japan. Thank you, Fukuoka. Thank you, Kyoto. And thank you, Tokyo. I'll see you again, Japan. Let's fly back to Manila.